Welcome back, everybody. So today I want to talk about a little bit about GoPro. I'm not going to talk about the features or anything to do. What will talk about it is how to protect them. We all know if you own a GoPro, we take it everywhere. We take it into, swimming pools, out into the nature, etc. Right? And they do occasionally get dropped, and they do break. They're not unfortunately, they're not indestructible. So on a GoPro, you obviously have the back screen, you have the lens, and you have the front screen, right? And any of it can break. It can crack if it hits the stones or anything, or sometimes just in your backpack, if it gets squished or something, it does break, right? So what I always do is, and I think it's probably a must for if you own a GoPro or if you're using a GoPros, right? And it's really also to protect your investment, because they are not cheap, right? Is to get a protective covering, right? And finally, I got my ones for GoPro 9, right? For the latest GoPro. I have them for the previous ones, but finally my one arrived for the 9, and here it is. So it comes in a box like that, right? And I'll talk a little bit about it, because there are different types, and there's different things included, right? So if we'll open it up, so this one is about the pack is about $7. And what I like about this one, it actually comes with these covers. Not all the protectors comes with them, right? So you take this cover, and when you store your GoPro, you simply just put the cover on, and it protects the lens, right? So if it's in your backpack or anything, it just won't get scratched, or even in your case, because that you have all the cables and batteries and other accessories, right? So it's quite cool. And the cool thing is there's got 2 of them, so if you lose one, you always have the second one, right? The other things which are in the box is 2 sets, again, which is good, of covers, right? So let's open one up and just go through what it has, right? Because I think it's quite cool. So first of all, it has the stickers. I really never used them, so they're kind of pointless. It has a nice wipe, so it's actually quite handy. It's not a big one, but you throw it into your GoPro case and just keep it with you. It's always handy. It has 2 wet wipes, so it has actually a wet wipe and a dry wipe, and that's for screen cleaning, right? So that's good. However, I haven't used them. I used the spray and the paper towels to wipe them off. But the cool part is this, right? So you have 3 sets here, all 3 pieces. So you have one for the lens, right? So you cover the lens. You have the second one, okay, let's see, is for the front, right? So it's basically cut to your GoPro size, so make sure you buy the right one for the right GoPro. And obviously the last one, you have the screen cover at the back, right? And what I like about these sets, right, and I've been buying them for quite some time, they're actually quite tough. I mean, and they're not sort of easily breakable, right? I mean, I've had GoPros fall down and on the ground and drop, and none of the screens have cracked so far, right? And another good thing is, even though it's quite a firm plastic, right, the touch screen still works quite well. So there is a bit of lag occasionally, but it does work well, right? So in that respect, I think it's probably one of the best cases. And I think for any GoPro, it's a must-have, right? Basically, if you drop and you break it and you have to replace it, I mean, it's gonna cost you a lot more than $7, right? And obviously with the screens, it will offer a significant protection. And also the good thing is, it doesn't actually distort the picture at all. So I mean, I've tried both with and without the protectors, and the picture is identical. You can't see the difference, right? So that's about it. It's a short video. I just thought I'll share this, right? If you are having GoPro or thinking about buying one, make sure you get the protectors. It's definitely worthwhile. They're not expensive, you know, about $7 or $8, but you know, in the long run, it will save your GoPro. And I will post the link down in the description on which one I buy. And if you like the video or found it helpful, give us a like, subscribe to the channel. We'll have more videos always coming up, and some cool ones coming up as well. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you all next time. Thanks, bye.